Firstly, let me say that thank you to the Prime Minister for your statesmanship. This weekend saw the Pakistani government step up and take global leadership by expertly hosting and mediating negotiation between Iran and America. The whole world is indebted to the noble efforts of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar, and General Syed Asim Munir to achieve a ceasefire. Given Pakistan is a long-term ally of Britain, will the Prime Minister outline what support he is giving the Pakistani government facilitate an agreement for long-lasting peace and stability in the Middle East?
Can I reiterate my thanks to Pakistan for the role that they're playing? And I can tell the House that I spoke to the Prime Minister of Pakistan on Friday as we're going into the talks this weekend about about what support we could put in place, and the Foreign Secretary spoke to her counterpart this afternoon. It's very important that we support this process and try to move it forward and not to let it escalate.